Alright, g'day guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with the Barrett giveaway that we're doing and going to be doing a little bit of work on it today. So we're doing it tonight, but one of the boys, he couldn't, he's going overseas tomorrow, so fair enough, got a bit on, which is good. So I'm going to try and get as much done with what I've got here today, just slap on a few bits and pieces like alternator, power steering pump, all the manifold, intake and exhaust, and turbo and stuff like that, and then it's going to Mick on Friday to basically plumb it all up, wire it all up, and do all that sort of stuff. And then when I get back from filming with What's Up Down Under, that's a new series, well, not a new series, it's a new series to me that I'll be doing with Tough Tested down at Loveday Adventure Park. That we're going down there and filming for 16 days for their show called Tough Tested, where we test caravans and four-wheel drives through some pretty wild four-wheel drive stuff. So looking forward to that. Should be exciting. But yeah, so I'm just going to be doing bits and pieces on this today, and so we can get it ready for you guys. BRP titanium manifold studs, which we love. All right, that'll do for now. Got exhaust and inlet manifolds all bolted up. Mick's probably going to be filthy with me because there's probably something I forgot. He might have to take them off or something, but anyway, they're in there. That was a pain in the ass to get in there, but we got in there. Power steering pump. I've sort of started loading everything up because I've got to do a bunch of other stuff. But this week, so we'll, yeah. So there's going to have to be some changing of the pipe because that's the intercooler pipe there. Oh, I should be able to move that to over here. Maybe. So yeah. Radiator and all that sort of shit goes in. Power steering, alternator, the bracket and stuff. That I might have a look on PRP and see what they've got and get one of those as well. One of their sort of brackets maybe. And go from there. But yeah, that's going to do it for tonight. And then I'll take it out to Mick on Friday, which is when he wants it. So, and then I've got to go away. So I might try to get a little bit more done on it. Well, I'll just come down and maybe, I don't know if I'll put the turbo and stuff on, but I'll just pack everything up that we've got and see if Mick needs anything else. But yeah, and then we can go from there. So it's pretty well sorted, I think. Nice clean shed. Did the old car Jenga. I got the GDS out there, I need to bring it in as well. So yeah, still nice and clean for once, which is good after an event, which is all right. And still moving a heap of merch, guys. So buying tickets. Don't forget to get your tickets. There's plenty happening. So it's gonna be a cool thing. I'm actually really looking forward to it. And yeah, we can go from there. Guys, back at the shed, and I'm just packing everything up for the XR6 to take to Mick because of the TV show that I'm going on in the next couple of weeks that we're doing filming for. So pretty exciting stuff, but going to try to get this to Mick so he can button up the engine bay stuff, and then we can get the fuel system and everything else done when I get back. So just going to load everything up that we've got here. So turbo, coils, piping, radiator, alternator. Just going to load the car up, intercooler piping that's in that toolbox, in that drawer, spread out all over this place. And yeah, so we're going to do that and go from there. Should set a camera up, but no, we won't. All right, so got most of the stuff: battery, new fuel tank, radiator fans, intercooler piping in there, hot side fuel system, flex fuel, like that's the Monara's old fuel system. So like we might be able to use bits and pieces of that. But I just put that in there. But we do have the new stuff from Aftermarket Industries on the way, so hopefully they'll be here next week. And yeah, then we've got PRP stuff, coils, we've got turbo drains, fuel rail, alternator is in here, alternator brackets and all that sort of stuff is back there. Radiator, alternator. So radiator. And I went and looked on the original ad of this, and it does have a true truck in it. So, but we still got to pull that diff out to get the fuel tank out because I don't want to pull the cab off. But yeah, so we still got. So we do have a true track. We're just going to go have a look at it and go over it. So it's all good. And yeah, so this is pretty much loaded up. We're smashing through some orders as well, guys. I'm going to have to order some new merch soon, so which is good. But yeah, so that's pretty much loaded up. Got everything we need, I reckon. And drop it off for Mick, and hopefully he can get stuck into it. Which we're going to be dropping off tomorrow. So hopefully we'll do some more filming then, and that'll finish the video off. Not a whole lot happening in this, but other than just moving it around. But yeah, we're getting into it, guys. Car is loaded up, people. It took me a while because I've got the hoist and how good. But I'll tell you what, it's come up all right just sitting out here in the sun after a wipe down. Once we fix all the paint up here with Wolf Customs, I'll give them a bit of a plug a little bit later on once we sort of start, once we pick this up in 2 weeks, and hopefully Mick can get most of it done. But we're moving, people. This is on our way. All the good shit is in the back and in here, but we're about to head out to Mick's now and go from there. So let's do it, people. Everything's here. Dropping another car off for Mick while I go away and with some bunch of four-wheel drive bit. But no, it should be fun. Yeah, everything's sort of here for Mick, I think. He'll probably be cursing me for the next week and a half, but should be right. Yeah, he did his apprenticeship on this, so that's why I said, oh, here you go, mate. Just slap this back together, get it all ready for the giveaway. So then we can, when I get it back, we can do the fuel system and then paint and panel, and then we can go send it. And hopefully don't break it, make it strong for you guys, and should be ready to go. I was going to ask you guys what wheels do you think I should run, but I'm just going to change the center caps in them, and we're going to run these wheels, and I love them. It looks really good. Good stance on it. Don't have to roll those guards properly though. Yeah. But other than that,
it sits good.
It does.
Yeah.
All right. Well, this is where I'm going to leave it. So remember, get your entries, guys. Jump on. Every $10 you spend gets you one entry. So go and get your stuff. I'll see you next time.